I am happy to introduce the revolutionary app for traders and investors in the markets based on highly accurate, artificially intelligent algorithms, from the legend, Alex Vieira, with an uncanny track record since 1989. We are the first to bring real-time AI portfolio analysis, AI bot trading, and AI risk analysis for the iPhone, iPad, Apple Watch, and Apple TV. Watch the magic synchronized across your devices. Access highly accurate AI data analysis, and AI bot trade signals in a custom dashboard. Trade, stocks, ETFs, Forex, commodities, and cryptocurrencies. We help you make better decisions by ensuring your most important, accurate, and reliable portfolio analysis is always a glance away. Choose your own portfolio and widgets according to your budget, or go with one of the available artificially intelligent plans. I invite you to enroll in the free course to learn how simple it is, and to learn what no one else can do. You are one step away from dramatically improve your life according to hundreds of legitimate users' reviews. No one can beat you using artificial intelligence in the markets.
Hi Alex, here with autonomous trading. The very first thing that I'm going to start with is with this sentence: 100% free long-term investment process. Since we have been doing this for at least 4 years, discussing how to invest in this tremendous opportunity, Vertex Pharmaceuticals, which you'll find on the web, on the blog of the company, on the website, on social media, namely on Vimeo and YouTube. So before I address the long-term investment process, I'm going to call your particular attention for the existence of the most recent article referring to the importance of investing in this company, published 2 months ago, which you have here, and why to continue investing in this company, where you find reviews. You just have to click on it to read. You have my own comments to disregard the useless opinion of American scammers and therefore to continue investing in Vertex Pharmaceuticals. And you shall also refer to this article, which is the previous. So notice that we have here the full investment process, unlike any other company, website or grok on the web. We have the complete correlated flow on the blog of the company, 100% free. This is one of the videos that you find on YouTube, where I was recommended to buy even more shares at that time of Vertex Pharmaceuticals, and we also put a minimum profit target, which you have here, $15 million to start with, okay? And calling your particular attention precisely for the fact that the share price was soaring, and to compare our work with, for example, this professional scammer Bill Ackman in the United States, who at that time, as you all remember, if you don't have a short memory, he was recommending to invest in scams as this company Valiant, that then basically disappeared, as you all know, and we recommended to sell short this all the way down to the bottom. So you find, I repeat here, the full investment process in these companies, including and naming the scams on the web. So going back to that article, which you find here the most recent, precisely when all these American scammers, they were talking about crashes and so on. The crash, we made it in fact available also with 100% accuracy when to sell everything and to go short. You also have it, the call, free on the blog. And going back to the chart, you find here that during the crash, which I called in the US stock market, and this also demonstrates clearly the value of utilizing artificial intelligence to invest in the markets. This stock remained always a bull. it was not just, or this company, it was not just the company. For example, the case of Amazon, precisely the same, which also you'll find 1% free on the blog of the company. The share price pulled back a bit, just a bit, okay? It didn't crash down to 120 or so, no. It was one of the most resilient stocks in the US stock market. So basically what the company or the stock itself, it was saying, it was, once the markets they reverse, obviously you have to buy my stock or buy shares because I'm going to move likely to make new all-time highs. Okay, so that is the reason why you find all those reviews addressing our service. We recommended to, and you see here the long-term trend remained precisely intact. So what the stock meanwhile did, it was to make new all-time highs, okay? So for those that they have been interested in this company, you have the clear instructions. And the reason why you have the best Juneteenth day in history is precisely related to the fact that this stock closed at new all-time highs on this Friday, which was the expected scenario. And if you need more investment ideas, you find hundreds on and free on the blog of the company. Okay, thank you for your contribution.